Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is the monthly bug fixing updates that are available for Windows 10. If you don't do anything, don't go and check your updates. It will stay there as they're optional, but they will install with the patch Tuesday of February anyways. If you do check your Windows updates, you will see that you are getting a what they call preview update, which is the bug fixes update. So here I've got them yesterday, January 23rd, but you should see them if you go and check out Windows Updates and Windows 10. In my update history, you'll see that the update that installed KB5034203 update, cumulative update preview for Windows 10, and that's what they call the bug fixing updates, by the way. I also got a .NET framework update here on the same day, so maybe there were some bugs in the .NET that needed to be fixed. So both of them came through yesterday for me. And, well, what do we have in here? First of all, in the lock screen, you will have, some of you might have now, the weather widget that will show up on the lock screen when you actually turn on your PC. So this is one of the first things you'll see in Windows 10. It's not everywhere that it works, but if you're in the United States, it should. And you can, of course, use the lock screen to check out if it works. You have to, of course, be signed in and have the MSN weather app working. Now, there are a lot of bug fixes in here, lots of little things that are fixed here and there. There's a issue with icons that can reappear sometimes. If they were Internet Explorer shortcuts, you remove them, they might actually come back. There's also addressing some problems with BitLocker data encryption. There's a code integrity module that also might have your device stop responding. Windows kernel vulnerable driver blacklist is updated, and it adds a list of drivers that are at risk to, of course, have your Windows driver attacks that could happen. So it's kind of a security feature here, even though it's kind of more of a bug fix. There's an update for the UEFI secure boot systems. It had a renewed sign-in certificate. And quite a lot of other little things. If I look here at what else could be important, there's things about group policy issues and so on. So if you had some issues, if you had some problems that weren't, things were not going right, this might actually fix some of it. Once you install this and go into WinVer to check out the Windows version, on Windows 10, you should be at Windows 10 22H2, and the build number should be 19045.3996 once this update is installed. For those that might be asking, no, this doesn't address the security update fail, so it doesn't, there's nothing there for that. And this should install even if that update is still there giving you errors. It will not prevent other updates from installing, so this should install if you go and check it out. So preview updates are ready for Windows 10, and of course you can ignore them if everything's all right. They will install with patch Tuesday in February. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.